Tim Bigham of Delta Derivatives joins us on this Fed Day. Happy to have you here.
Great to be here, Ange. Thanks.
So, a cut for sure?
I think absolutely baked in, Fed funds futures implying over a 90% likelihood. So I think all but done. More importantly, is there one coming in December or not? Will it be more of a hawkish tone or more dovish out of the Fed? So I think that's really what's important going forward. Market's kind of leaning towards one more cut this year. They may be disappointed on that.
A big day. We have some earnings coming in from the FANGs.
Yeah, absolutely. And Apple, of course, going to be the big bellwether here. So Apple's had a heck of a rally up here. Finally ran into a little bit of resistance here. But given the valuations, I'm starting to get a little less bullish on Apple. Like that dividend yield. So the earnings better come out and knock it out of the park, I think, for Apple. And I think for generally the market to head higher here.
Any thoughts about Facebook?
Facebook is one that I kind of stay away from generally, wait till after earnings on that, but certainly that one has been bouncing around big time. I'd be a buyer on a big sell-off, but not at these levels here.
Anything else you're watching in this market?
Yeah, some unusual repeat call buying in AIMT, Immune Therapeutics, where someone's been buying the December 30 calls. Are still out of the money, so they've jumped the implied volatility, fancy way to say the price of the options, from under 50 to over 60. Those calls are up almost as much as the stock, so I'm jumping in, buying the stock, selling those really expensive calls, leaning with that big call buyer, and also looking to capture that big time overpayment. See what happens with that one.
That was a busy trader talk. Thank you.
You bet, anytime, Ange.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.